Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to delete the data from database by its ID. So guys, as we saw in previous video that we have done with the adding, searching the data, editing and updating the user records, and now in this video we are going to delete the record. So guys, let's get started with it. So first just copy this button and repaste it, and let's rename this button as delete user. Let's give the name delete user, and now double click on this. Let's double click. You can see button for click has come now, and start the code about the deleting the data from your database. Let's go to tables, and inside that this is the user table where all the data is stored. So now we are going to write a query to delete data from this table. So first we need to create one variable, connection variable, as new SQL connection. So to import this SQL, please import at the top this code. So this line of code you required. Now let us create one dim command as new SQL command, and then open the connection string, connection string is equal to double quotes, and copy your database connection string and move to its property. Get the connection string from here, copy and paste. Let me just remove that extra double quote from the string, and now open the connection. So connection dot open function, connection dot close function. And now guys, let us write the statement. So before writing the statement we need to check something. So let's use if condition, if then else and if. So in this if, what we are going to check, if the ID you have given, so one text box is there, right? So this text box name you can see search user ID. If the ID is not given, then you cannot delete. If ID is provided, then you can delete the data. So let's copy this name, search user ID, text box name, search search user ID dot text is equal to null. So if it is null, means you need to show the message. Let's type message box show function, and inside this show you are going to tell please enter user ID to delete data. Okay, save it. If the ID is provided, then you will be in else condition. So now over here write the code about, or a statement or a query where delete from the user table. So this is my user table, users, where ID is equal to, inside single quotes, inside double quotes, and then and operator symbol, and inside this you are going to get this text box name. Okay, here is your text box. So let's get that search search user ID dot text. Done. And now guys, you have created this statement, right? So let's create that variable over here, dim statement as string, string string. Save. And now let's execute this statement. cmd is equal to new SQL command function, and inside this you are going to pass the statement comma then your connection. Save it. And now guys, let's execute this also. cmd dot execute non-query. Save. And now after everything is success, you need to show that message. So let's give message box function where you are going to tell user data deleted successfully with the message msg bux style dot information comma with the box name as success. Okay, save, and after everything goes, you need to clear all these fields. Okay, so what are the fields? F name, last name, phone, email address. Gender is default because we need to select that. We are not going to finish that, and over here user type also. Okay, so let's fetch. So in previous video we did that, so let me just copy from there and paste over here. That's it, as simple. You can see this, only the text box I have cleared, not combo box. So guys, now let us test this. Let's get back, save the file, start debugging. So let's log in with at gmail.com 123456. Let's click on login. Admin have logged in successfully. Okay, so we were on the users. Let's go to users over here, and now let's directly click on delete button. Delete, please enter user ID to delete the data. Okay, now let's give some ID. So let me just give 4 and let's search that record first. Okay, you can see admin user, and now guys, let us delete this record, user number 4. So let's click on delete. You can see user data deleted successfully. Okay, you can see all the input box is clear, and now let us search this ID number 4 over here. Search, no record found we are getting. Cool. So this was the code guys which we have done. So guys, in this video that's it, and let's see in next video about new topic. And thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe, like and share.